Hello YouTuber. So I'm gonna try to show you how to repair my GoPro 8 Black. It's not that hard, I don't think. Never done it before. So I go ahead and order these on eBay. It costs about $26 something, $26, $27. It doesn't have any adhesive. So first you just have to use one of these ply tool, maybe one of these. So this one have no adhesive, so I'm gonna use the double tape. What I'm gonna do is I have to heat this thing up. Let's see, the power's coming on. Let's see the power coming on. Yep, the power coming on. You see all the shadow of it. It's on the camera, so you see you can't really record it. Okay, let me turn it off. I hope your GoPro is not broken like mine. And let's start it. Just heat it up. You don't want it too hot, so you might have a chance to damage the lens inside. Okay, so I'm go ahead and peel it off. See, it start coming out. Okay. You gotta be careful. It might hit you. It's not bad, so I'm gonna put a little more heat. Okay, I'm gonna use this instead. I'm gonna use this tool instead, so it just come right off. Glass is hot, okay? Okay, come on to this side. So what you do is you're trying to get away from the camera, not poking to the camera, okay? So you just ply away from the camera. You don't want to jerk your hand into the lens. Okay. You want to clean it real good, so when you put the new glass over it, it's kind of go smooth. Probably need a can of these. It's duster, electronic duster. Just sprays out. Just clean it off. Just being patient. Just get all these gasket. Okay, let me clean it off. Let's see. With this, just clean it. Just kind of go around the edge like that. Okay. Okay. You can use the alcohol, rub over the lens. Just clean a little bit. Okay, that's it. And you can see, let me turn it on. And you can see it's more clear. It's more clear. Yep. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these out. And I don't know which side. It doesn't have any instruction. Okay, I think this is from the outside, this from the inside. Okay, so I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna peel this up first. Okay, I'm gonna peel this up first. This from the inside. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the double tape around the edge. Like that. Yep, like that. Okay. And got a scissor. Cut it. About right here. Scissor. Cut it. Okay. And this be right here. And cut it. So this peel back just a little bit and cut right at the edge of it. Right at the edge of it. Like that. Okay. And I go ahead and cut a piece, small piece. So you're going like that, and then cut, peel back just a little bit so you can cut right there. Okay, and now you can cut around, peel this up and cut like that. Peel it up a little bit and cut like that. Okay. Cut like an angle like that. So, okay. Oh, one more. Cut. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel the tape because it's, remember, it's double-sided tape. I'm gonna peel the tape out. Okay, 1, 2. I think they should have pre-taped for you, but this one it doesn't. I think the manufacturer should do all these for you. So you just stick into the camera lens, but they don't. So it's probably cost them like a quarter more, so I guess. So they decide not to do it. Okay, so I'm getting this piece with. So you just drop it in here like that. Okay? And you just peel it out. There you go. Ta-da! Now, so here it's done. That's how you fix the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I'm sure the 7, the 6, the 7 are same. No different. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Give me a like and subscribe. to my channel. Thank you for watching.